Hey there! Welcome to the SOS Quick Tips video series. My name is Jenny and I'm a student employee here at OC. In this series, we are taking a look at everyday operations for your CTC Link, Zoom, and Canvas interfaces. These videos will provide short walkthroughs for Zoom, Canvas, and CTC Link basics that we use at OC. Each video will cover 2 to 3 topics and provide advice on some best practices that you might find valuable. Thank you for joining us. Welcome to Zoom Quick Tips 1. In this video, we will cover how to log into Zoom and how to mute and unmute your microphone. This is important knowledge to have when you are in class. Let's get started. First, you're going to log into a Zoom meeting. To do this, you do not need to have a Zoom account. You simply need to find the link to the meeting that has been provided by your instructor. You will most likely find it in your class's Canvas page. It may have also been sent to you via email. If you do not have access to the Zoom link, make sure to email your instructor and ask them to send it to you. Once you have the link, click it. It will take you to a new tab on your browser. You will have the option of either opening it on the Zoom app if you have it installed on your device, or open it through your browser. Please note there may be a waiting room enabled. If there is, you will have to wait for the host, which is generally your instructor or their TA, to let you into the Zoom room. Once in, find the mute/unmute button on the lower left-hand side of the screen. Hover over to the bottom of the screen until a bar will display. This bar will have the mute/unmute button on it, as well as several others. Click the mute/unmute button. If your microphone is muted, there will be a red line through the microphone icon. If it is unmuted, the line will not be there. When you're in class, keep your mic muted unless you are the one talking. Any noise you make will be picked up and broadcasted to the class if you have your mic unmuted. This will disturb your classmates, making it harder for them to pay attention to the instructor. Also, the instructor may be recording the class session. Anything you say into your mic will be in the recording. And that wraps up this quick tips video. Thank you for watching.